what you must do, people, it's a biggie, is be very, very careful. Don't splash it around, and protect your bench. This is a marble bench, so this stuff will stain. So gently roll it. Just get it on. Doesn't have to be flash. A little bit there. Go over that plaster. And that'll do. Alright, I'll wipe that now. Where's my sponge? In the other room. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is vertical brick bond. I'm going to be using a 4mm notchy. I've got to clean it yet, but I'll get to that in a second. To find halfway, because I'm going to be going half a tile, to find halfway, mark it roughly like that. That's exactly halfway, people. I need 15, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. I'll set my gauge up. I've got my cutter in here, and if you hear me grunting and moaning, well, my leg is friggin' sore from my back. Anyway, the mail must get through, so what does the old fella do? Just carry on. I don't know if I'd have this sort of colour and type of tile in mind, but everyone each to their own, the saying goes. You see they're a beautiful half. Beauty boy. It's Crusoe. We're doing a splashback vertical brick bond. See how I don't go too far, because I don't want my glue to dry. Keep banging the camera on my head against the bloody overhead cupboard. You get that? Bend down a bit, Crusoe. Chicks can do this too, you know. If you got your 1.5 mil cross, you can't go wrong. What I do hope is that the owners have bought enough tile. I just made it with the bathroom. So we'll see. Mushka. And so it goes, people. I suppose it looks pretty sexy. Does look alright, I must say. Not bad, not bad. Like if in doubt with your line, throw a cross in. See that? That's just a bit skinny. Nice, Stewie. Yeah, so that's going to be a real I'll come back to that. I'll as I put them up, you just back butter the top, slap it on. Your home and hose. Home and hose, mate. The idea is, DIYs, that you see this is a 4mm notch trowel because that's you know, that's a thin tile. It's about 5mm tight. If you go too big a notch trowel, you'll get glue poking out between your lines, and you don't want that. You've got to keep this work as clean as you can. Same as mosaics. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly, people. This is Chris O. See you soon.